Let's do a fake and real comparison for this Labubu version 3, big into energy. On my left is the real Labubu. On my right is the fake Labubu. Check the Pop Mart logo. The fake Pop Mart logo looks similar as the real. The Monsters logo is faded for the fake Labubu. Now, check the rainbow foil lamination of the title, big into energy. Take note, the real Labubu has the rainbow strips at about 45 degrees angle. Let's compare it with the fake. The fake big into energy do not have the rainbow strips in the wordings. It's just rainbow reflective effect. Check the glossy lamination. Real Labubu has glossy lamination around Labubu, like a sun ray. The eyes also have the glossy lamination. Now, let's compare it with the fake. The fake has glossy lamination around Labubu, but there is no glossy lamination on the eyes. Take a closer look. There is white gap near the ears for the fake Labubu. The gray watermark is faded for the fake Labubu. There are color difference between the fake and real Labubu. The wording is faint for the fake Labubu. It has different color for the secret icon. The wording for fake Labubu has lighter tone. The logo looks similar, but the letter O looks different. There are missing QR code sticker for the fake Labubu. Please note, some fake Labubu has QR code sticker. Be beware. The font type looks different. When you move the box in an angle, you will realize that the real Labubu has a silver metallic ink reflection, while the fake Labubu is just gray ink. Facebook logo. The wording looks different. The watermark looks faded for the fake Labubu. Take a closer look at the Monsters logo. Real Monsters logo is silver metallic ink, while the fake Monsters logo is gray ink. The child's symbol's nose and mouth looks different. The wording has silver metallic ink for the real Labubu. Let's unbox the real Labubu Big Into Energy V3. It has the red strip to unbox. It comes with diatom bag. A Pop Mart card. The design is Ho. Have you spotted? There is a missing letter S in the Monsters logo. There is always letter S in the Monsters logo. Did Pop Mart made a mistake for this Monsters logo? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. Let's unbox the fake Labubu. Seriously. Even though there is a red strip to aid in the unboxing, but it's so difficult to unbox this fake Labubu. There is no Pop Mart card and diatom bag. The letter S is also missing for the Monsters logo. The letter P in the Pop Mart logo looks different. The package for this fake Labubu looks like a Ziploc bag. The fake packaging looks similar. It is difficult to differentiate if you do not have the real packaging to compare. Check the color of the Labubu. The fur for fake looks lighter. The colors are not vibrant. The fake package is not fully sealed like the real packaging. However, I have another fake Labubu V2, has a sealed packing like the real packaging. The fake packaging looks similar. It is difficult to differentiate if you do not have the real packaging to compare. This fake has a darker color tone. Let's unbox the real Labubu. Let's count. There are 9 teeth, 8 white, and 1 colored tooth. Check the Pop Mart logo on the left foot. Let's check if there is UV print on the right foot. No, there is no UV print. Check the Monsters wording and logo on the tag. The Pop Mart logo is black and not red. It has QR code to scan for authenticity. The arms are adjustable. The head is rotatable. You need to use a bit of strength to rotate it. The feet is slightly adjustable, but it cannot rotate 360 degrees. Now, let's unbox the fake Labubu. Oh, the card is hidden inside the packaging. It's love design. Let's unbox the fake Labubu version 2, with a sealed packaging. One more way to identify the fake is to cut the packaging. The real Labubu has Pop Mart logo, big into energy, symbol, the Monsters logo, imprinted in the inner packaging. Let's check the fake Labubu packaging. The fake Labubu packing is just silver reflective surface. Let's check the fake Labubu version 2. It's the same. It has silver reflective surface only. Previously, I have unboxed the love design, so today we can do a better comparison between the fake and real Labubu. The real Labubu has silvery metallic ink, while the fake has gray color ink. Let's check the ears. The red and pink stitching are closer to the edge of the ears for the fake Labubu. Fake Labubu has poor fur stitching quality around the face. There is wider white gap for the fake eyes. Nose color is different. The blush tone looks similar. Let's count. Alert. Both fake and real Labubu have 9 teeth, but fake Labubu has poor print quality. The logo is faded for the fake Labubu. Ink stain on the toes. As verified earlier, there is no UV print for this Labubu Big Into Energy version 3. The nail colors look slightly different. The monster's wording has different font type. The Pop Mart logo is wrong. Let's check the side view of these Labubu. The real Labubu has rounder and puffier shape, while the fake has a flat back. The monster's logo has smudged for the fake Labubu. A printing error on the label. Looks similar, but the fake has thicker font type on some parts. Looks similar, I can't tell the difference. The arms are adjustable for the real Labubu. The fake Labubu's arms are adjustable too. Oh my goodness, this real Labubu feet can rotate 360 degrees. Let's cross-check with the Hope design. This real Labubu feet cannot rotate 360 degrees. I guess due to the high demand, Pop Mart compromised on production quality standard. This fake Labubu feet can rotate 360 degrees easily. Let's scan the QR code of the fake Labubu. Click the link. It brings you to the Pop Mart official verification page. Click Anti-Counterfeiting Verification. Attention. The chances of verification have exceeded the limit. So, this is the fake Labubu. What should be the verification result, if our Labubu is authentic? Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell, to be among the first to watch our video. You will see this page. Verified as genuine by Pop Mart. Result: genuine. First time verification. Beware of counterfeit. Till then, happy toy collecting.